Hi, my name's Mark and welcome to Membership Websites. How do you turn a post category into a static page? Let me show you what I mean. Let's go to latest news and we can see the default blog will be being used on this page. So there are 3 sample blogs and we can see that we've got 3 categories, category 1, category 2, category 3. We're going to make category 1 a static page. Let's go there just now and just search category 1. And we can see that there's 1 blog sample on here. So we're going to turn this page into a static page. Let me show you how. We're going to go back to the back end of the website. We're going to go to My Content Web Page Builder. We're going to go to Add a New Page. And we're going to go to the right-hand sidebar again. The page type we're going to select is now a post search result. And we want to link that post to the blog, website blog articles. It says target a category. So you'll see that selection appear. And we want to target category 1. So I'm going to create a hero section here. Yeah, I'm going to add an image just so that you can see it on the front end of the website. So we've added an image. We're going to also change the font to white because the image is quite dark. So we want our text to appear as it should. Let me just make sure that that's fully white. There we go. And then we're going to put in a title. So the title is category 1. And we're going to put in view these great results. So nice and simple, just to show you this. So we're going to save that. Now, if we wanted to, we could do a lot more with this page. We could put some content. I'll just drag some content blocks in just so that you can see that. And just drop one in here so that we can see that on the front end. You can add some SEO settings as well. So it's really, really good for SEO to target the category name and putting in a meta title and description. So there's lots you can do with this, but we're just going to save that for now. I'm going to go back to the front end. We're now going to go to the latest news button again. So I'm going to click on that and we can see we're at our default blog. But now what happens is when I search for category 1, so I'm going to click search now. There you go. Yeah, so it's just a very quick example here of how we can turn this into a static page and just to apply to that single category in a post type. With the read more section we can click on, we can see the content that I added. We can place this content where we want by going back to the static page and using the right hand sidebar, clicking on page options, and we can decide where we want to display that content. So we're going to save it. We've saved it above member results. If we just refresh the page, you'll see that that's been applied. So now we've got a sample blog here and we've got some content above the member results. So I hope you found that useful. That's how to turn a post category into a static page. Thanks for watching.